often called the cuddle hormone or the feel-good hormone because it's released when we physically connect or are affectionate with somebody, especially if that person is someone that we care about. Oxytocin is most famously connected to childbirth, lactation in new mothers, and that powerful mother-child bonding that occurs just after childbirth. Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah Gowans, massage and craniosacral therapist from Blossoming Me and the Healthy Learning Lounge. Here, we are a sanctuary where you can come and tap in to nurture your journey to health, to well-being and a positive mindset, to clear the stresses stopping you from living your most fulfilling life. Oxytocin is produced by the hypothalamus and released by the pituitary gland. It commonly produces what some people call warm fuzzies, feelings of connection, bonding and trust. But what is not so well known is oxytocin's role in healing, as well as in pain and stress relief. Oxytocin has a powerful effect on our mind and our body. It can significantly help us to feel calmer and to soothe our pain. And this can both uplift your experience of healing, as well as the speed of your healing. And being triggered by connection and affection, oxytocin is also deeply connected to the healing power of touch, lowering our stress hormone levels, cortisol and adrenaline in particular. It can help to undo their effects in our body and restore balance, improving immune function and other body systems, enhancing our overall health. Trauma-informed bodywork, then, is a special approach to bodywork therapies like massage, osteopathy, craniosacral therapy, and others that focus on creating a safe, supportive, and empowering environment for you. Let me explain. Safety is healing. In a bodywork session, it's crucial that you feel safe and supported. When you do feel safe and supported, your body can relax, reducing tension and stress. This relaxation response is crucial for healing as it allows your body to enter a state where it can repair and rejuvenate. Safety also promotes psychological well-being, enabling you to let go of the fear and anxiety that are often associated with pain. So your comfort and safety are our top priority. We make sure that the environment feels secure, a space where you can feel comfortable, respected and in charge of your body during your session. Soft lighting, calming music and a clean, inviting setting all contribute to this sense of safety, so that when you feel safe, your body can relax more deeply, supporting this healing process. Your therapist's clear communication, active listening, and respect for your boundaries are equally important. So we explain everything we do in advance and welcome any questions that you might have. Our goal then is to build your trust and ensure you're comfortable with every step of the process. Consent is key. We'll always ask for your permission before starting or before changing any part of the treatment. You have the power to guide your session for specific techniques or stopping at any point. Your preferences and boundaries are always respected. We understand your experience is unique. We're trained to recognize how trauma can affect your body and your mind. This helps us ensure the strategies and techniques that we use support your healing without causing additional stress or discomfort. Each person responds differently to trauma. It's a very individual thing. Likewise, your experience of pain is unique to you also. The emotional impact and the effects in your life are highly subjective and very personal. We also understand that your experiences, culture, and background shape who you are. We are sensitive to how these factors might affect your comfort and healing. So we focus on listening to your words as well as to your body, tailoring our approach to meet your individual needs and ensure that you feel understood and supported, so that your body can do its very best healing, what it is built to do. Ultimately, healing is best done as a team with you and your trauma-informed bodywork therapist. So we create a treatment plan that works for you, understanding your unique needs. In order to create this, collaboration is essential. So your input is crucial and we value your feedback highly. Integrating safety and relaxation then with bodywork therapies is essential for your best healing. By creating a safe and supportive environment, that is grounded and stable, as well as understanding your unique experience, trauma-informed bodywork therapists can provide a comprehensive approach to healing. This can ultimately help to reduce your stress, improve your body awareness, enhance emotional regulation, and facilitate your deep healing, supporting the well-being of your body, mind, and spirit. So thank you for being here, for prioritizing and sharing your healing journey with us. If you did enjoy this video, please like and share it, and join us next time when we explore fresh topics to help nurture your journey to health, to well-being, and a positive mindset. To clear the stresses stopping you from living your most fulfilling life. From my heart to yours, namaste.